For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Modern Silicone Spoon Rests, set of 3, are a game changer for any kitchen. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, they are BPA-free, heat-resistant, and incredibly durable. I've been using them for a while now, and I love how they hold up against hot utensils without warping or melting. Plus, cleaning them is a breeze. Either wipe them down or throw them in the dishwasher. The 9.1-inch by 4.7-inch size fits both small and large utensils, and the set includes 3 colors: black, dark gray, and light gray. This helps prevent cross-contamination when cooking with multiple utensils. Whether you're stirring, flipping, or serving, these spoon rests give you a safe and clean spot for your kitchen tools. What I love most is the satisfaction guarantee that comes with the product, so you know you're covered if anything goes wrong. These spoon rests aren't just functional, they also add a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. They've made my cooking process smoother and mess-free, and I highly recommend them for anyone looking to improve their kitchen organization.